How to make a girl fall for you. This is a topic that a lot of guys ask me about, so I'm excited to share some tips that have worked for me. So, what does it take to make a girl fall for you? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but there are some general things you can do to increase your chances. First, you need to be confident. Confidence is attractive, and it shows that you believe in yourself. When you're confident, you're more likely to approach girls and start conversations. You're also more likely to be yourself, which is important because girls can spot a fake a mile away. Second, you need to be interesting. This doesn't mean you have to be the life of the party, but you should have something to offer in terms of conversation. Talk about your interests, your goals, and your dreams. Show her that you're a complex and interesting person. Third, you need to be a good listener. Girls love to talk, so make sure you give her your full attention when she's speaking. Ask questions, and really listen to what she has to say. This will show her that you're interested in her, and that you care about what she thinks. Fourth, you need to be respectful. This means treating her like a person, not an object. Don't be pushy or aggressive, and don't make any assumptions about what she wants or needs. Just be yourself, and let her get to know you. Fifth, you need to be patient. It takes time to build a relationship, so don't expect her to fall for you overnight. Just keep being yourself, and eventually she'll see how great you are. So, those are a few tips on how to make a girl fall for you. Just remember to be confident, interesting, a good listener, respectful, and patient. If you do those things, you'll be well on your way to winning her heart.